Hello everyone, I am Panak Gutka.
And I am Miss Ruby.
We are presenting our project which is mutual funds. In this picture, it shows that mutual fund include investors, fund managers, securities and returns. There are some concepts of mutual fund. A mutual fund is a professionally managed that invests the money from the investors to buying or selling stocks, bonds, etc. A second, mutual fund is a fund manager that pulls your money to many investors and invest in stocks, bonds, etc. Third, a mutual fund can register with SEBI. SEBI means Securities and Exchange Board of India. There are different types of mutual fund: equity savings scheme, other oriented scheme, hybrid scheme, other schemes, etc. In this picture, it shows us till 2008 to from 2018 how the mutual fund increase. How the mutual fund increase.
There are mutual funds versus stock market. First low risk, high risk. Second, low trading cost, high trading cost, etc. Uh, there are difference bet- there are difference between mutual funds. First, diversification. Mutual funds invest in several securities such as gold, equity, debate, etc. There, thereby, they are by facilities diversification. Second, lower entry levels. You can start making investments as little as rupees 500 in mutual funds with the help of SIP. SIP means systematic investment companies. Third, liquidity. You can buy or sell mutual funds to simple opportunities. The fund to the fund house mutual funds industries. Means RM or in RM or even by transaction online. Thank you.